interested
This
in the
conference will now
coding
be
department.
recorded.
I'm not much
Uh,
much interested deep into the coding department, so I thought this would be better with less coding and also cloud is. I think cloud is going to be the better feature, so it will help with my career growth.
okay. So it is your own decision, or you influenced by any someone?
I have been asking my seniors and other advisors about what to take.
Okay, okay.
So
And
they have.
ma'am, what about you?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, SQL, Python, and many things are involved in that. I'm not very good into Java or something, so I would like to go into this.
Okay, okay. So actually, the decision what you are taken is the right way. So when we are comparing now trending market, so the DevOps is booming. Cloud DevOps is very booming. So why? Because so you can see the companies are building their own infrastructures. They are facing many much more difficulties to build the infrastructure and maintain the infrastructure and to get the support for that infrastructure. So it is very difficult to manage and maintain their own infrastructure.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why cloud computing is very boom in the market. So cloud computing is totally avoided those disadvantages.
Okay.
So, so why cloud DevOps? So we can say is my screen is visible to you?
Yes.
If we can say, see, you have a developer and you hired a one developer. Okay, you have a code about your plan, something you want to be deploy an application like Paytm. So you have an idea to get into the business. So you have hired a developer and you have a code. So for that you need to maintain an infrastructure.
Okay.
Okay, so to deploy your code and to run your application to move into the production. So so as you mentioned, this is a server, web server. Okay, so for this web
Okay.
server you need to take a rack servers, whatever. So what web servers depends upon your requirement and what deployment you are going to be deploying into the servers. For this, you don't know the knowledge about the web servers and what the compute power is required for this. Okay, so
Okay.
you are approaching engineers, some skilled engineers. So you're wasting time there only. Okay, so you have a plan and you have a code and you have a money also. So
Mm-hmm.
you want to deploy and push this idea into the business, into market very means in the early time.
Mm-hmm.
But you are wasting time here only to gather the requirements only. So when you get your business profit and when you will successful, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is kind of thing like buying a cloth, going to the stitching shop and giving their give measurements and wait for to stitch, and after that we have to test the cloths. Later if any alternation is there, we have to do alternation and then we wear the cloth.
Okay.
So for before festival, we are planning before 20-25 days only. So 20-25 days time is waste. Where we can see this ready-made concept. If tomorrow is festival, then today we can go and buy. Am I right?
Yeah.
So before get into this, so do you aware about the cloud computing? Why means how much how much awareness you people are having about this cloud computing knowledge? Can I know 2-3 points only?
Uh, I don't know much about the cloud computing yet, so
Okay. Meghana, what about you?
Yeah, I too don't have any idea.
Okay. Okay. So I'll tell you, if you want to be start your own company, like a startup company,
okay.
you have a plan and you want to be startup your startup company.
Mm-hmm.
For that, you are going to the one IT park and you need to take a lease of one building in that one floor, okay? And you need to be build your means office. This is mandatory for every office, okay? After that, you need to maintain a server room. In that server room, you have for that server requirements, for computing part requirements, you need to hire a skill engineer, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So later, skill engineer will give you one quotation regarding means with that quotations you need to buy servers,
Okay.
okay, and you have to buy licensed softwares.
Mm-hmm.
Later you need to install and you have to test this, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you after that you can hire employees and you can start your work by explaining them, okay, and by whatever they're doing the work means whatever is your plan, but you have to be deployed into the servers. So those
Mm-hmm.
servers you need to register into the GoDaddies. So you need to run the test environments and production environments. Two are different.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for test environments also it will take that much time. For production also you have to be means register into the support side. Okay. So how complex it is. So you have to think each and every concept. So whether support side and infrastructure side and maintaining engineer sides, every side. So after that, you need to maintain your analysis of your business
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
your explanation. Previously, so means before this cloud computing came, so every company will maintain this. So for that also, if the company wants to be grow more, then company will maintain a data centers. So one data center in one location is not sufficient for that company. Okay. You need to maintain two or more data centers to store his data. Okay. So let's say these are physical infrastructures. Okay.
Okay.
For this maintain physical infrastructure, you need time and money.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. To avoid this, for just before we have, I told you that it is easy to ready-made. So whatever there's there, so we can go and buy and we can use those.
Mm-hmm.
Same kind of thing, cloud computing. Cloud computing. Cloud computing, what they will do? Okay, what they will do means to maintain your infrastructure, you need to maintain your by your own only. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
whatever it happens, and if disaster will happen, or any mistake is happen, and you when any building is collapsed, anything is happen for your company, then you
Mm-hmm.
may get into the lose your company. Okay, or you lost your company. Okay, but where into the cloud, what they will do? We have service providers in the cloud.
Okay.
Okay, cloud, they will do, they have a big company. Okay, they have their own infrastructure which they are maintaining across the world. They are maintaining across the world. Okay, they have a many more regions across the world. In
Okay.
every country, in every state, they have a regions. They have a zones. So wherever you can deploy, you can deploy. Wherever you want to be maintained, you can maintain.
Okay.
So in anywhere in the world, if you have taken the service from the cloud, so I'll tell you one thing. If old company is there, one of the old company, we can say the best example is IRCTC, the train tickets booking
Yeah.
website, and JNTU. JNTUK or HRA, Anantapur or Kakinada or means Hyderabad. These these websites are using the old infrastructure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so when same results are released, at the time students is going to check the did results of their exams, right?
Mm-hmm.
So at the time you may face server is not reachable or site is not reachable, right?
Yeah.
So why this happens? Did you face this kind of issue? Flipkart, Myntra, have you ever faced this issue like site can't be reached? This
Yeah.
online shopping websites,
Yeah. Sometimes it
Flipkart,
happens.
Myntra. Come on, Teja.
Yeah. Sometimes I'm saying that sometimes it happens with some websites that we can't reach the websites. There's something wrong with the internet issue. Something like that.
Yeah,
Stuck, getting stuck with the website.
yeah. So that's why, Meghana, uh, have you faced this issue?
Yeah.
So it's about the web servers where we can see that JNTU is a government website, okay, and they are maintaining a physical infrastructure, okay. And Flipkart, have you ever faced online shopping websites are down? Have you
Yeah.
checked any time?
Sometimes like I've seen some websites like shopping websites.
Okay. For online shopping, you can check. on Flipkart and Myntra kind of websites, you will not get like 2 3 hours or 4 hours. Sign can't be reached. Maximum you will get 5 seconds maybe, and later you refresh, you can get into that.
Yeah.
So, but what about this JNTU? Students will every time checking the results, but his site is can't reachable. Site is can't reachable like that. He'll get the error. So 502 error or
Okay.
403 error. Okay. So why? Why they are maintaining the physical infrastructure. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So for every server there will be a TCP IP connections is open. TCP
Okay.
connections opens means users are there. Okay. Users are hitting the site. Users are hitting the site. So this infrastructure, this server is only capable of allowing few users only, like 100 users or
Okay.
200 users or 300 users. If more users are hitting, then the request is not resolving, then at that time we'll get the error of 403, the site can't be reached.
Okay.
So the connections is not opened only 300 and trying users are like 1000.
Yeah.
Then the query will not result to users who are
Yeah.
trying more than 300. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for results time, so for giving access to 1000 users at the same time, JNT will need to maintain to add extra volumes or extra servers to main server.
Okay.
So, but it will take at least 2 days of time or 1 day of time
Okay.
to add the physical server. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this kind of issue for student is faced for 1 day, and in the morning he'll get the result. Why? Because at that time users will less. Okay, accessing users are less. At the time he'll get the access. Okay, but what about this online shopping mall? Okay, online means online shopping website. In 5 seconds they get the access. If he may get the error also, after in refreshing he'll get into the access in 10 to 15 seconds or 1 minute.
Okay.
How it could be possible?
So is it because of cloud?
Yeah, because of cloud. What means here we are doing the manual attachments,
Mm-hmm.
but in the cloud, if users are increasing, automatically servers are adding more.
Okay.
Automatically, we are not doing anything.
Yeah, it's automated.
Automated.
Okay.
So that's why more companies are referring to the cloud computing side,
Okay.
and there is a challenge also maintaining their own infrastructure, and there is a challenge to get it support also. If while attaching the server, if something is crashed, then who will be responsible for that? He own he need to engineer will be responsible for that. An engineer who hired his own companies hired only, J&D companies hired only, right? And he didn't know about the skill set of engineer, and he directly hired. Okay, some crash is done there, so you need to approach other supports. Okay, but where who is responsible here? Himself only responsible, right? So but here cloud is responsible for that.
Okay.
If anything happen, cloud service provider is only responsible for that, and he will not going to delay you also. He'll give you the whatever service is agreed for you. He'll give you within a few minutes or in few seconds. We have those options in cloud computing. Okay.
Yes.
So in this cloud service providers are Amazon, Azure, GCP, DigitalOcean, inode, and Red Hat. Okay, and many more are there. Salesforce. Salesforce also kind of thing into the cloud side.
So, okay, yeah.
Okay. So the boom in market service providers are Amazon, Azure, GCP.
Okay.
This is maintained by Amazon, this is maintained by Microsoft, and this is maintained by Google.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in this three service provider, uh, do you know means which one is boom in the market right now
Mm-hmm.
among these three?
I think Amazon AWS is booming. I think so.
Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. So why Amazon is booming in the market means, so we can say Amazon is offering three modules. Azure and GCP are also offering, but where GCP and Azure are compatibility for big infrastructures like big companies. Okay. Where we can see Amazon can give the services and have the offering the services like to small scale industries also.
Okay.
Okay. You need a startup, you can go by Amazon. If you need a startup, you want to go to Azure. Azure is previously not offering services like small scale industries. Okay. Now they are implemented and they are now offering the products to small scale industries also. And GCP, you can use GCP. Okay. GCP also offering, but the cost of charging is more in GCP.
Okay.
Okay. So in this cloud, there is a concept is there. You want to be, you have started one startup. So for that, you have to hire an engineer. Okay, you hired an engineer. So you need to give a salary to engineer also, right? No one will work for you without salary, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but your work, your means your site is only you can open in general timings like from morning 9 to evening 6:30 time. Okay. Or in a day only 1 hour or 2 hours. You want to use the service or 1 or 2 hours in a day.
Mm-hmm.
For 1 or 2 hours working, you are hiring an engineer and you are giving salary,
Yeah.
right? So it is like is it is like acceptable thing?
Uh, maybe not.
Not right. Means you one engineer is working for 1 or 2 hours and you are giving a full time salary to him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
So yeah. So To skip that engineer, you can take the service from this cloud computing from the Amazon. Okay, so you can pay at what time you have used only. If you have used in a day 1 hour, you can pay for the 1 hour only. If you have
Okay.
used for one day, you can pay for one day only. Pay as you go. This concept is in this three cloud service providers having.
Okay.
But the cost management is very reasonable in Amazon. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
little bit complexity in Azure and more complexity in Google. Why? Because Google will charge you more.
Okay.
They will charge you for the means some services for minute.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why most of the companies are referring to Amazon and creation of Amazon. And Amazon is, you know how Amazon is a big company
Yeah.
and how many sectors they have implemented and they have succeed in the market.
Mm-hmm.
So so that's why Amazon is providing a big platform to create your own infrastructure. So is it clear up to now, or did you get the point why cloud computing is need? Is this question is over to you both.
Sorry, I didn't get the question. Can you repeat it?
Up to now is cloud computing point. Have you got the point about the cloud computing?
Yeah,
Means
I got.
do you have any doubts?
Yeah, I understood what the cloud is. Cloud computing means.
Okay. Her name Meghana.
Yeah, I got an idea.
Okay. Okay. That's great. Okay. Let's say, so how it possible Amazon is giving this many services and openly, means we can say this open challenge like to all companies. We are providing the big platform. You can create your companies in my company. Can I say this quotation to Amazon? Teja? Yeah. Worldwide they are maintaining platform. Okay. Means worldwide they are maintaining their company and they openly given everyone you can create your companies in my company.
Okay.
Kind of thing only, means, so that much big infrastructure is introduced to the world. Amazon is introduced to the world that a big infrastructure who can create their own infrastructure in Amazon infrastructure. So how it possible? Amazon is maintaining their own databases. Okay, their own regions, their own zones across the world in every country.
Okay.
So across the world, Amazon having 22 regions. 22 regions. Okay. In regions, Amazon maintaining availability zones. Okay. If you see here you have, let's say these are DC, DR. DC means data center, DR means disaster recovery. or data recovery. Okay, DC means the main data center. For one of your company is maintaining the main data center by environmental disorders means distractions, your building data center building is has been collapsed. So servers are crashed and everything is means like fire accident is happened there. So you lose your data, right? Company data. Okay, you can lose your data. At that time, you can recover data from DR. The same data will exchange this too also. When this is not working, you can recover the data from the DRs. But what if these three buildings are in the same journal, like you can see the Mumbai city or Hyderabad city. In Hyderabad city only the three data centers are there. Then Hyderabad is affected to earthquake. So the three buildings are got collapsed. So where you can recover your data of your company after 6 months or 3 months or 2 months if everything will settle. You can't get it right, Teja.
Yeah.
We can get or not.
Maybe they would have a backup plan or something.
The backup plan is only DR.
Okay.
These are physical. So these three are in Hyderabad. Okay. Let
Mm-hmm.
assume the three are in Hyderabad. Then Hyderabad is affected to the earthquake. So the three buildings are got collapsed. So after two means after 2 months or 3 months, everything is settled. Then he wants to be restart his company. So how he can recover his data? He cannot, right?
Yeah.
So but if you can see in cloud, you can maintain this data across the world. Not only in Hyderabad, you can maintain in Mumbai. So if Hyderabad got affected to the earthquake, you can recover the data from the Mumbai. Or Mumbai is got affected the earthquake or whatever the environmental effects, so you can recover the data from the other location. If India is got affected, then you can recover the data from the other country.
Okay.
So that kind of backup is maintaining by Amazon. Not only Amazon, Azure GCP also. Okay, so that's why they are maintaining the 22 regions across the world which are active. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and five more are going to be coming soon. Five more regions, and four more
Okay.
regions are under construction. Okay, so in every region, Hyderabad we can assume as a Hyderabad is a region. In Hyderabad, they are maintaining the three availability zones. We can say these three are availability zones. Availability zones. These availability zones are far from each other. Okay, far from each other. You can say our Andhra Pradesh is a region. Then these three data centers are at least 100 km far or 200 km far. So one of the region is affected, one of the zone is affected. Then he can collect the data or recover the data from another zone. Got it? My point.
Yeah.
So the kind of backup thing is they are maintaining in Amazon. So this is Amazon. It has in this box is Amazon. Mumbai region. Okay, we are in Mumbai region. Okay, so how you will means this diagram is about how you will start your own infrastructure or start your own company in Amazon. Like you are going to the Amazon into the we are in India, then we are going to be select the Mumbai region if you want to be deployed to the Mumbai region. Okay, we have a Mumbai region in Amazon. So we can create our own network by using VPC, virtual private net circuit it is. Okay, virtual private circuit. In this, you will maintain a zone. This is the zone. This is zone. In this zone, you can deploy your web server. You can deploy your web server. This diagram is visible to you, clear and
Yeah, I can see that, sir.
so this line is Mumbai region and this is VPC. This is subnet.
Mhm.
Subnet means zone. Okay, subnet means zone, and this is EC2 means web server. Last at the end, your code has been working and going to the end users at this point only. Web server.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So by using this, you can create your own company. Okay, you can name here only that company about this virtual VPC only. Okay, so you can name like you can say yeah, one-to-one tech ad is there. Ours. So we can name here and one-to-one tech ad.
Okay.
Our code is deployed in this web server. So that's why we are accessing one-to-one tech ad
Okay.
from anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world.
Okay.
So what about this physical one? So if you went to the US, okay, you went to the
Mhm.
US and you want to access your company website, which is in India. That is your that website is confidential, like our SBI. Okay,
Yeah.
it is very confidential and you cannot get into the other country, right?
Yeah.
So you need VPN for that. You need a VPN for that. For VPN also, this physical infrastructure company guy need to take a support from VPN services.
Mhm.
You need to create a server for the VPN, and you need to install a client software for the VPN,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
But by using cloud, you you don't even maintain you. There is no need of maintaining a VPN client software anything. If you have your Amazon also providing the this points also.
Okay.
Okay, Amazon is providing the security also. Do you have a credentials and you have a key? There is a key is there. You have a key and you have a credential. Then you can access your website, your portal, or your data
Okay.
anywhere in the wherever you are in the world. If you want to be maintained with a client VPN softwares, that option is there in the Amazon.
Okay.
Okay, but where in physical one, you need to install a client software and you have to get requirements, and you have to means the physical side, main company side, their employees need to be allow you, and then only you can get the access. They need to add into your their firewalls, and they need to add your credentials into the firewalls, and they need to do something configuration at their end, then only you can access. But here you can create your own, and you can access from your anywhere in the world if you have internet connectivity.
Okay.
Okay, so this we can do, means we can create our own infrastructure company. Okay, this is nice and very fine. Okay,
Yeah.
so what about the DevOps? Okay, what about the DevOps?
Yeah.
Okay, you can see, yeah, I have deployed my package file regarding this one-to-one take care. Okay, this web server. Okay, I have deployed my one-to-one take care package file in web server, and
Okay.
it has been deployed and it has been designed. Okay, everything is okay, fine. But we want some more requirements. Like, is our company kind of a banking company, or some other like online shopping company? We can assume, let's assume like that. So every day, if you see in Flipkart, every day new offers will come,
Okay.
new coupons will they will give you, new brands, new products will they will introduce to us, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So means we can say, I think you are aware about the coding side, means little, how much knowledge you know, I don't know, but you know that you, for small development also, you needed time, and you need to test those, and you running test cases, and later you are means uploading to the main repository,
Mm-hmm.
and then it will be executed, right?
Yeah.
So how much time it will take? At least your 15 days of sprint, right?
Should be. I don't. I'm not sure.
Yeah. So, but where we can see in online shopping malls, but where he will give you the coupons in a day only. Today, tomorrow. He will release the coupon for tomorrow, today only. And is there any festival is came, so he'll introduce the products very newly. For introducing the products, they need to be right, UI UX is there, need to be show the design. So how much they will need to be code and to implement and run, how this backend is running, and how his front end is need to be run, right? Teja Meghana, am I right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So for that, so we cannot stop. Means we cannot hold there only, right? We have a limited products only, and we will give this product and will display you in the web server. The okay. And
Uh-huh.
next festival is came, so we don't have a like. They will not say like we don't have a products like that, right?
Yeah.
So we have products and they will introduce the newly only. So every time, so there will be a continuation progress there. Continuation progress is there in this their company. Okay, continuous changes are there. Okay, if you can see in internet banking, they want to be introduce new feature like recharge option, online shopping option, or credit card option, or credit card shopping option. Every day you can see in banking sector also. Every time they are updating.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But this DevOps side, we have waterfall method, agile method, and now newly DevOps method. Okay, waterfall
Okay.
method, agile method, and DevOps method.
Okay.
So why now DevOps is boom in the market, and why this methods came? Means you guys ever having a little knowledge about this DevOps?
Mm,
Like
not.
means before you're joining, you may R&D, right? Means about the DevOps before you're joining the session also, before you're taking decision also,
Yeah.
you will do some R&D, right? What you find in that R&D? So no problem. So previously, when cloud is not introduced, when the applications are running in production, like live, like a banking sectors also, when mobility sectors also. So for web servers, they want to be any new requirement is came, they need to follow these methods. They need to follow these methods. Previously, the DevOps is not there. Okay. The first model is waterfall model. Why we are calling this waterfall model? Why we are calling this as a waterfall model? I'll explain you.
Okay.
You have a developer and developer had done the coding, okay,
Uh-huh.
and is moving to the one file, okay.
Yeah.
For that we are running tests in server, okay. This is test server. Later we will deploy, okay.
Okay.
Later we'll push into the production, which is live,
Yeah.
okay. But need to do this three environment, okay. For this three environment, if waterfall method if we follow, so first of all we need to gather the information. We need to take the requirements. Can say I have a
Mm-hmm.
Paytm concept. Okay, Paytm business concept is there. Okay, I need to do the
Okay.
Paytm into the business, into the market. I need to introduce this Paytm into the market.
Yeah.
Okay, it is now is a very crucial time where uh, liquid money is not that much is running outside. Paytm, the Paytm is the only one that turn the money concept into the digital money, right? This
Yeah.
is the concept. Yeah, this is the time to introduce kind of business thought to the market. Okay, at
Mm-hmm.
the time, don't want to wait much more time. So he wants to be deployed as soon as possible.
Yeah.
But if you follow waterfall model, it will very late. It will take a of 6 months of time or 1 year of time to
That's
deploy
right.
this one.
Yeah.
So why? So why? Why means Paytm client will give you requirements. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So Paytm is given the idea to
Company, client.
one-to-one client, one-to-one tech client.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have one-to-one tech client employees. We need to deploy and we have to fulfill the requirements and we need to give live production to the Paytm company.
Yeah.
We need to develop and do build and everything. We need to give to the Paytm company.
Mm-hmm.
So if you follow waterfall model, then one-to-one company or team leader or a project manager will take requirements from Paytm.
Okay.
And I'll show you. We can take the requirements from our Paytm.
Mm-hmm.
Later, we'll create a design like high level of design, HLD or okay.
Yeah.
Then when going for the implementation, like coding part, whatever is there. So as per the design, we have to build, we have to code the code, right?
Yeah.
Implementation. After
Mm-hmm.
implementation, we need to do test cases, okay?
Testing and deployment. Yeah.
Testing, testing part, like QA part.
Yeah.
Okay? After testing only, we'll go for the live, which is maintenance,
Uh-huh.
right? In
Yeah.
this, you can see here, if I'll pour water here on the step, it will fall step by step, right?
Yep.
So that's why this method is called as waterfall.
Okay.
So if water is falling down, okay, water is falling
Mm-hmm.
down. If I break here, this water will come from this side, not right. It will go directly to the down. It will not
Yeah.
recover to the whatever the last position. The
Okay.
same thing here also. The every step will depends upon the previous step in waterfall
Okay.
model. Okay. If you break here, we
Yeah.
need to continue from this. Again, we need to take a requirement and we need to design and we need to implement again the code and we need to again run the test. So if any new
Yeah.
requirement is came in this live production, we have to do again the same thing.
Okay.
So we need to take the requirements from the client. What requirement is there? Design, implement, test, and later we need to push into the live. So there are disadvantages, right? It will take 6 months or 1 year of time to push into the market. So to
Okay.
avoid this method, there agile methodology came.
Okay.
Agile method is came. What agile method is?
Yeah.
They'll plan for they are planning the sprints. Okay, for every requirements they will plan the sprints. If the new requirement is come, if they need to complete, the project managers or like in 3 sprints or 2 sprints you need to complete this requirement. So they'll take iterations. Means what iterations are there? Means okay, if one requirement is
Okay.
come, Okay, when
Yeah.
requirement is, they'll plan for that. Okay, the requirement, they will do requirement analysis. They analyze the
Okay.
requirement and they will design the code. Okay, and they build using the build tools and they will test. Okay, if it is done, then they will go for the other iteration. Okay, after that they'll go for the feedback iteration. Means if you've done your iterations of 2, then you go for the feedback iteration if it is working fine or not. You can see, but here if you take from one iteration to another iteration, it will take 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months
Okay.
at least. So for every new, you can see, you want to be change a new requirement at user side, or you want to change a small requirement at web server side. Okay. Once you done your requirement at user
Okay.
side only, you can go for the second iteration, which is web server side. You cannot do parallelly.
Okay.
Okay. So here also we have some disadvantages. Here also we have some disadvantages. So that's why I'll show you. I'll show you this one. You can see here DevOps. DevOps means combining of two teams,
Yeah.
development and operations.
Operations.
Development and operations. You can see here, once you done
Yeah.
your code or once you done your plan, it will continuous integration and delivery, infinity. So it is continuous. There is no stopping in this. If you have planned one business thought, you have
Yeah.
planned and you wanted that one. Okay, you can say you have a code. Okay,
Hmm.
you have built that code and you test that code and you have released that code. Okay, and you
Okay.
deploy into the environment and you operated it and you monitoring your code. If you have, you there is a new requirement is came, again you
Okay.
plan and code, build, test, release, deploy, operate and monitor, and again you want to be create a new requirement like mobile option or mobile recharge like kind of thing in your Paytm. Again you plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor,
Yeah.
and metro tickets or movie tickets requirement came. Plan for that, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor.
Okay.
This part is dev side and this part is operation sides. You can see here deploy, release, and operate, monitor, and test, build, code, and plan. So this combinedly we are calling DevOps.
Okay.
So that's why now every company is adopting this new method. Every company is adapting new method which is DevOps method.
Okay.
So in this DevOps method, we have a tools. So I'll explain you what it is DevOps. DevOps
Okay.
is a culture, SDLC, software development lifecycle approach. Okay, which involves continuously combining the code, continuously testing the code, continuously integrating the tools, continuously deploying the applications, continuously monitoring the applications throughout the entire its software deployment development life cycle. Entire software development life cycle, which is this diagram. Entire software development life cycle. Okay,
Yeah.
1 minute. Okay, so in this Amazon, okay, so when we are deploying this, when we are following this DevOps, okay, DevOps methodology, and we have a continuous integrations and deployments, we will deploying into our infrastructure, into our infrastructure. So, so that's why we are calling cloud computing. Why? So, if any of the code or any of the thing is there, like take an example of your body. If you want to sit, you will not sit in the air, right?
Yeah.
You need a chair to sit in between air and between the earth. Okay? So there we need a base point. There we need a base point. So where we can you have a code and you can have a you can follow your DevOps method, but where is the base? Okay, so here it is a base that we are calling as a compute pod, which is easy to web server. So that compute pod is offering the more in the format, so that's called as a cloud computing. So it is an virtually we are doing everything in this Amazon virtually. We are not going to fit the screws and we are not going to plug the cable and anything. So we are just doing by mouse clickings. Okay, by clicks
Yeah.
only we are doing. So these are all virtual work. So that's why. So we are calling it cloud. In cloud we are doing. Okay, in cloud we are doing with our base computing. So that's why it's cloud computing.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So to run your requirement, there need to be a compute part. We need a compute part. So that is it is depends upon our requirement. If you want to be run on Linux, Red Hat or CentOS, Mac, Windows, Unix, Ubuntu, whatever it is. So you can select from the cloud. It's
Okay.
the Amazon. You want the databases like SQL, Aurora, MongoDB, anything you can take the service from Amazon. Everything is available.
Okay.
Okay. So in this
Yeah.
Amazon, we are going to cover the part what requirement is need for the DevOps, what platform will need for the DevOps in the Amazon. Like
Uh-huh.
we will cover the part like okay,
Yeah.
what is EC2, mean? Okay. So we're going to cover the topics in Amazon. Is it this screen is visible to you?
Yeah,
Megan and Teja?
yeah,
Yeah.
I got it. I can see it.
Yeah. So we are going to cover the topics in Amazon, like what will require for this DevOps side and what actually we need into the cloud side. Okay, cloud. If you want, if you can cloud engineer, then what kind of work and what kind of activities you need to do for the environmental creations.
Okay.
Okay. So we can cover this module one as an introduction to the cloud computing. Okay, and in this cloud computing, we are what is the service provider of AWS? We are offering what? The understanding difference between on-premises and cloud architectures.
Okay.
Okay, and we can discuss about the availability zones and regions, how this availability zones and regions will differentiate and how they will work behind the uh, architecture. Okay, so how they
Okay.
will communicate with each other. In internet world, there will be IP address is mandatory for everything. So how it
Yeah.
is, I'll tell you about the what is understanding of IP address, okay,
Yeah.
and how the share infrastructure data will be means how the data we can isolate in cloud. I'll tell you the topic also, okay. So
Okay.
here the module is VPC, how we can create our virtual private cloud or circuit in Amazon structure, okay.
Yeah.
VPC architecture and internal working of VPC. So in public domain, how you are creating your private domain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Design and deploy virtual private cloud. Okay. For running your private cloud in the throughout the internet, so you need these concepts, subnets and internet gateway routing, security groups. Okay. I'll explain this part
Okay.
also. These are key components for your network. Okay. VPC is the heart of the AWS.
Yeah.
VPC is heart of the AWS. And module 3 is there VPC pairings. Okay. So for
Okay.
one network to another network, how you can communicate kind of thing. Okay.
Okay.
And module 4 it is we can understand this network concepts like how the internet is happening between the private and public.
Okay.
Your best example is that data centers. Data centers are in private, very confidential. You cannot access any company data centers, but in data centers employees they will access and the data which is stored in the data center against the user will display in the public domain which is having internet access. But why the hackers will not hack the data centers? So what are the complex means uh, points are there? I'll explain those also in this module 4. Why
Okay.
internet will happen from the private to public, how it will happen. in background. Okay. Module 5, I told you right before only just we need a base point that is what compute part.
Okay.
Compute point. So that is about the EC2. Okay. I'll explain that also. Module 6 is about the just we have done a discussion about the Flipkart online shopping website. So how
Okay.
it will work? How when users are increased, okay, how it will work? We'll take an example of that only, okay, or we can take any of the company. So when users are increasing, how the background the application will work? Okay, you can take means Phone Pay also, Phone Pay, Google Pay, okay, how they will work, how the interface is showing to you, and how it is reflecting from the third party to your bank servers and data centers, how it is connecting. So we can cover that point, this kind of stuff in this module 6. Okay. Module
Yeah.
7 also is regarding the same. How you can, uh, I can, in module 7, I'll give you a best example of like a PUBG.
Okay.
Have you ever seen like PUBG users means PUBG is okay by their phones they are hanging up, but if you use the correct compatibility one, then it will not giving you the means errors and everything, right? How
Yeah.
it is running, how how the compute part is increasing day by day, PUBG, and we will cover that as an example in this part. And
Yeah.
module 8, so we are creating a virtual data center, our our company data center in cloud.
Okay.
Module 8 we will going to cover that point. Okay. In
Yeah.
module 9 we can create our own databases. Okay, we'll cover that point in module 9. So later about this monitoring. So you have a company and you have your infrastructure and you need to monitor, right? What errors are there, what tickets are generating, means like what users are facing the issue with your, okay, what cost management you are going and how much cost management is costing you. You need, right? So we can cover those points in module 10. And later,
Yeah.
and we can cover the point how many users can access, okay, for your from your company employees, how many users, okay. So those we can cover it in module 11.
No.
Okay. So there you can see in module 11, I'll explain you about this. This kind of it will involve into the DevOps side. Okay. Module 12 will be into the DevOps side. We will cover this in DevOps only. Module 13
Morning way.
is yeah, module 13 is module 13 is you means I think you are aware about when ICICI Bank will give you the one notification in night times, 2 to 3 o'clock AM, 2 AM to 3 AM, bank payments will not work, like that notification you will get, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Why? Because they are migrating their infrastructure, their data from one to one. So at that time,
Oh.
how the migrations will happen? Why they are taking the downtime at that time in night times only? So we'll cover that in this module 13. Okay.
Okay.
So this module 14 also is it means DevOps only, like in Linux side. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We will
Okay.
cover these topics about the introduction of this module 14,
Okay.
and we have a module 15 that our other services are included in this Amazon. We can I will explain those also. And module 15,
Yes,
what are
ma'am.
you have hired as an engineer of cloud, and your how the
Sure.
day-to-day activities in real time, what are there. So I'll explain those also. Is when about the DevOps side. Okay, These are which are I'm going to telling you that those are the new tools which are boom in the market right now. The new every company is adapting these tools only.
Okay.
Version control system, okay. Source code
Mm-hmm.
management, it is Git or Bitbucket, okay. GitLab
Yeah.
or Gitbash,
Okay.
GitHub, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, will cover these points. What is a version control system, source code management, how the code is moving developers into the Git side, okay, and what
Sure.
are the means we can practice Python also. So by doing hands-on experiments. Later we have a build tool that is Maven, or Ant is old one, Maven is a new one now.
Mm.
Okay, okay. So we
Okay.
can go with Maven, the introduction and architecture and installing also. Tomcat is a web server. Okay, Tomcat is a web
Okay.
server where we are deploying our code. This Tomcat's web server is visible to end users.
Okay.
So we can do this also introduction and architecture installing and code changing of this websites. Continuous integration and deployment. I have a Jenkins. Okay, Jenkins is the heart of the DevOps.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go
Sure.
for this architecture and management and installing and doing some
So,
hands-on experiments on Jenkins also.
I think,
This was you.
Okay, and we have
yeah.
a tool SonarQube code quality.
No.
It will review your code. Okay,
Yeah.
so later
This was you.
Nexus, if you want a backup of your package file, so we have a Nexus that is open source tool, or you want to be stored in S3 bucket, you can store. So we will cover that point in Nexus tool. Ansible. Ansible is now like if you have a big, like you can say banking sectors only having a hundred servers, but they want to do configuration in 100 servers at a time. So it is not possible, right? At a time, it will going every employee to the servers and doing configuration by manually.
Yeah.
So if automation is came, then how we can do at a time configuration in 100 servers. So we can cover that part via Ansible.
Mm-hmm.
We do something hands-on experiments in Ansible also.
Sure.
Ansible is from the Red Hat only. And Docker. Docker is a containerization tool. Like I think you are aware about the VMware
Mm-hmm.
virtual machines.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, virtual machines are like creating virtual machines. But if you have created your virtual machine and use it for that, and you need to again there is some spaces there you cannot use for to other machine. Like you can use that for the self machine only. So I will explain you what is VMware and how we can share the space within between the missions. Okay,
Okay.
why this containerization part is came and why Docker is came. Okay, what is a
Okay.
Docker? Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
what Docker tool will do and why the Docker is adapting by the MNC companies. Most wanted companies are adapting this Docker. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, we'll do some hands-on experience on Docker also.
Sure.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and Docker is Docker having a small disadvantages. To avoid those advantages, Kubernetes came. Kubernetes is now in boom. It is a version.
Okay.
Kubernetes is now the new tool, which is container orchestration tool. So it
Mm-hmm.
is supporting and giving means can say it will giving you support for your any application like you can do anything with the Kubernetes.
Okay.
Okay. The best example is Pokemon game.
Okay.
Okay, Pokemon game is like it is now. I think you know about the news about the Pokemon that worldwide Pokemon is very
Yeah.
popular.
Viral game.
And
Yeah.
wherever we are running and giving a ball hit and how it is locating the points and how
Yeah.
it is locating the points and how it is giving support for the users and everything, how communicating between the wars, and you can say that is done by the Kubernetes only.
Okay.
Okay, I'll explain how it is backgroundly work. We can cover that point in Kubernetes and
Sure.
Terraform. Okay, Terraform, we have cloud formation also. Now Terraform is boom, and now recently coming the one is Pulumi also. But we can go for, but best one is Terraform only. Terraform in Amazon, we are creating the resources via manually. Okay, we are selecting the options. We are creating,
Mm-hmm.
but the same environment you want to create in another zone, and you don't have a time, or it is a very taking a time to create 1 hour all the services.
Yeah.
You cannot paste right in another region, so you need to go and click another region also for another network. So to avoid that, we can do automatically via Terraform code.
Yeah.
Okay, if we can give some commands and code, like it is kind of full stack only. Okay,
Okay.
if we briefing about that and just giving these services need to create. Okay, it will go and create.
Okay.
That's it. We'll cover that part also in Amazon resource creation by automatically.
Sure.
Okay, so this is the about curriculum which is our one-to-one tech ad is offering to you.
Okay.
So okay, is there any doubts?
No, nothing.
Let me know if you have any doubts, Meghana.
Yeah, so far it's good.
Clear, all clear.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Then thank you, and
Yeah. And
will Subhash will talk with you.
yeah, sure. And thank you for giving us the time and explaining all this demo.
Yeah, yeah. Welcome, welcome. If you, I just explain you very deep dively, because if we go like some topic to topic, you will not understand what this is doing.
Mm-hmm.
Like what are the connections are present between this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.